Hi guys, it's Alicja here and welcome to my channel. Today we're going to draw an eye and I'm going to explain to you exactly what you need to do to draw an eye just like me. So we are of course starting out with my sketchy liner brush from my sketch brush set. Remember to check out my website, that's where all my brushes are. Anyways, you can see me using like the draw and hold option. This is what I do always for my eyes. Like I have the same eyeliner on my eye drawings and I always use the draw and hold option. It's just the best, so try it out. After that, I am going to right away just choose the background to the skin color and I'm going to fill in the eyeball, the white. I remember I was always a fan of very white eyeballs, but I don't do it anymore. I think like a darker bluish eyeball looks way better and then you make it slightly lighter in the middle. Here again, I'm going to use mostly my cartoonish makeup brush set, if not only. Oh, besides the blending brush. The blending brushes, my only blend brush set, is like very crucial. The only blending brushes I use, remember, we hate smudge tool here. I'm going to I don't really focus that much on making it too perfect because lately I blend the underline of the eye a lot, so it doesn't have to be perfectly perfect, you know. I just try to focus on the shape, right? Like the shape is important. It is very stylized, like my eye drawings are very stylized most of the time, if not all the time. So I make it very dynamic, like a cat eye, like very snatched, foxy eyes. I really love that. So I'm going to draw a typical brown eye. I love to draw brown eyes lately. I think you can make them so smooth, so buttery and so beautiful. As you can see, I don't really care about the shape of the eye. I don't know why, but it seems like I didn't care about that when recording this video. And you know what? You don't have to care. I still don't care, actually. Just make it whatever. It will look good. Like a lot of the times, random shapes, not exactly perfect shapes, sometimes they can look very good. You can see me making the eye a little bit darker. In real life, it works when you have makeup, and when you don't really have that, but I love to give it this kind of effect. And also the red, the warm line, the water line, making it red or like pink or any warm color, it always looks so amazing. So if you didn't try it out ever and you want to take one lesson from this video, try this. This is the one thing I want you to try. Okay, now I'm trying to do something with the highlights. I don't know what I was thinking, but I didn't like that, obviously. So let's just go to fast shading brush, which works so much better. Actually, also the soft edges brush is actually better for this. So I don't know why I used that, but anyway, I don't understand myself most of the times. I have different personalities in myself. Never mind. Now the important part, this is also so crucial. This is the number 2 thing I want you to take from this video. Blend random lines out, leave some of the object, some of the shape sharp edged and some soft edged. Do you see the iris? It looks so buttery and so beautiful because I blended it just a tiny bit, just a tiny part of it. And this is actually a very quick eye drawing because I am so far already, and it's all because blending, it works so well. It makes your drawing look so finished so quickly. So I love blending everything. You can see me blending it right now. Okay, now I'm just going to blend a lot, so let's skip that. And now let's make the eye corner. Also important, do it well. Make the eye corner and then take an airbrush or blend it out or take an airbrush and add a little bit of the same color to the eye corner. It just looks better, more soft, more buttery. Buttery? You know what I mean, like butter, like the one you eat, like this. You know, guys, what I love about digital art? Exactly this, the Liquify tool. What I told you like a minute ago, that I didn't care about the shape, well, that was a mistake, because now I had to change it. But actually, who cares, because I can change it, because it's so easy, right? Okay, guys, to make it pop even more, I'll lock it and I make it even more red. Like, make it so saturated, so popping, as much as you can, actually. This is amazing. Now, let's add some definition again, and then we're going to blend out probably the waterline. By the way, look at the iris. I don't know what I did. I didn't see it before, but the iris is so wonky. I swear on my tablet you couldn't see it, but just ignore it, okay? Oh, and this little dot, this white dot in the upper side of the corner is something new that I do, and it's something I absolutely love in my style that's developing. So yeah, if you want to do it, just use it. You can steal this from me. Just steal from me. Like, our world is like cruel anyway, so make it easier, make it more enjoyable for yourself and steal. Yeah, right, okay. Let's add some lashes. I am in love with my cute eyelash colic brush. This is actually basically almost the only one brush I use, like, for eyelashes. The other ones are great too, but I'm just kind of obsessed with it at the moment right now. So I just use it. Like, who can say I can't? I can. And this, like, most of the times I have to do over the lashes, but now it just came out pretty at the first try. I don't know what happened. Like, I had a good day that day. And now let's just add, this is also a very nice part. I love to do it. Like, I love drawing, obviously, but this is so good. So nice to do. Some highlights and some colored highlights. Very important. It gives your, like, it's a spice. Like, you're giving a spice to your eye. Just like when you're making food and you need spices, this is the spice for this drawing. And we're basically done. I'm going to, like, do some more things. Not really that explainable. So I will just say goodbye to you as I'm finishing the last final touches. I hope you liked this video. Oh, and by the way, can you see I'm using, like, color dash? I don't know if I'm going to keep it. Let's see. We'll see. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. I am so glad you watched this all the way through, and I will see you in the next video, hopefully. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel. If you want to get my brushes, go to aliciaprints.com. And if you want to be coached personally by me, go to my Patreon and join the art class tier, and you're going to be coached personally by me on Discord. And if you want just want to support me and get exclusive content, like exclusive brushes, speed paints of every drawing I make, files that you can download and just add to Procreate so you can see what kind of layers I use, go to Patreon and just sign up for the golden gifts or just for the supporters. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. I love you. Bye!